Hi friends, I am Jessica and I welcome you to House Decor Designs. We are once again back with an awesome video on home decoration. We always upload videos on home interior decoration designs on this channel. There is no perfect design when it comes to designing your home. Your house should be designed the way you want and not the way others have built. Remember that home is built once, but it should fit all our needs and comfort. Watch home interior designs and decorations on this channel and get the latest interior design ideas so that you can make your home look gorgeous and amazing. Remember, House Decor Designs is the ultimate channel on YouTube to find latest home interior videos. Hope you liked this video. For more videos on home interior, visit our channel. Signing out with this. We'll soon meet in the next video. Until then, keep watching our more videos from our channel.
I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment. bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no, never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being too much. You got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being so. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment,